Welcome to Path to Profits Hub, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to succeed on Amazon. If you're looking to find that perfect product to sell on Amazon, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to share the 5 best ways to discover your next winning product. And stay tuned until the end, because our number 5 recommendation is an absolute game changer, and we've got a special link in the description for you. Our first method is as simple as it is effective: checking out Amazon's best sellers list. This list is a goldmine of product ideas. Just head over to Amazon, click on Best Sellers, and explore the different categories to see what's currently hot. Keep an eye on trends, and you might just find the next big thing. Method number 2 is all about Google Trends. It's an amazing tool to help you identify rising trends and seasonal opportunities. Search for product categories that are consistently trending upwards and align them with your business plan. Google Trends is a fantastic free resource for market research. Our third method is diving into Amazon's movers and shakers list. This list showcases products that have had a significant increase in sales over a short period. This can be a goldmine for spotting emerging trends and hidden gems. Method number 4 involves some detective work on social media platforms and online forums. Check out communities like Reddit, Facebook groups, and niche-specific forums to see what people are talking about. You'll discover invaluable insights, potential product ideas, and even customer pain points that you can address with your products. And now, for our number 5 recommendation, the game changer of them all, Jungle Scout Amazon software. This tool provides you with in-depth product research, including sales estimates, competition analysis, and more. It's like having a crystal ball for Amazon sales. You can find the link to Jungle Scout in the description below. Trust me, it's a must-have for every Amazon seller. There you have it, the 5 best ways to find a product to sell on Amazon. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. If you want to get started with Jungle Scout, check out the link in the description. It's a game changer for any Amazon seller. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.